Right, S14 video. Get this pile of rust on that rusty rotisserie, and then I can start actually doing some bits underneath it, and I can move it round out of here so I can build a nice little carport. So when it pisses it down, I don't get soaked. But I'll set up a time lapse of the back and front and go from there. Whoever balanced this fucking wheel, God knows how many years ago, wants sacking. The state of that. They've double stacked them. Insane. So that's it on the rotisserie. Now I can get to all the rusty spots underneath. Also, I need to take subframe, steering rack out, lower arms, and struts, because them things are fucking massive. And I've got some lovely mono pros to go in it. And then around the back here, it's obviously on the back side. It's a bit wobbly, but it's supposed to be. Adjustable lower arms. Absolute pig it was to get on the back of a tray to go over here, because all the geo is massively out. One's got like about 4 degrees of positive camber, the other one's straight, but there's a shit ton of toe out, so it all needs adjusting. But they were all just thrown in to get it rolling. So modified wheel nuts, because obviously they're extended studs. And I didn't have nuts with a blank in the back, so I cut the backs off solid ones, because I did have them ones. But they are, I couldn't find them, so I dealt with what I had. But all that needs to come back off, so I can underseal it. Obviously, nice and crusty arches, you know, standard S14 stuff.
No rust on it, mate.
Only a little bit. To be fair, that's just bubbling. Give that a blast with the old whirly wheel. Should be brand new. But I wonder if there's any water in the boot. Oh, look at that. Dry as a bone, kind of. Ish.
A little bit down here, a little bit over there.
I'm debating on cutting the floor out and flat, and then because fuel cell's going to go on this side, battery over that side. Not fuel cell, surge pot. And then I'll just do some stainless steel hard lines from the back here up the front. so I ain't got to worry about them. But them tank straps are, lack of a better word, fucked. But so I'll have to sort them out. Probably make some, maybe not. That's how it goes. So, after saying I could never find them, so I had to fucking chop the ends off, I've just found the box of them in amongst all the rubbish that was actually in the car. So if I'd actually opened my eyes and looked, rather than go, oh, never mind, I'll just make some, I would have saved myself the hassle of having to chop capped wheel nuts. But I guess it is what it is. So, but yeah, so that's all on the rotisserie now. I think sun's going to go behind them trees in a minute, so I'm probably not going to do anything more today. Just a quick video. I'll cover it up quick, but now I can move it, because where I want to build the lean-to here, so I've got coverage from in the weather. I can move it here once I've moved all that out of the way. Crossed, I've got some weeds. Yeah, so let the project finally begin. All right, all packed away. Hopefully shouldn't be too much of a problem with the weather. I need to get a bit of rope on the bottom of that, just stop that flapping about. But all done for today. Yeah, look, I mean, sun's basically gone. So get the carport set up, and I'll put 2 lights in there because this is dead, so I'm not using that anyway. And then don't matter if it gets dark, still do stuff. But for the time being, that is it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.